Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to customize your chat experience in the IMO app by changing the wallpaper for your conversations. Whether you want a personal touch for a single chat or a uniform look for all chats. First, open the IMO app on your phone and go to the chat you want to customize. Next, tap on the three dots located at the top right. Then select Wallpaper from the menu. You will see a list of available wallpapers that you can choose from. Scroll through and pick the one you like the most. After selecting your wallpaper, click Save icon. You will be given the option to apply it either for this user only or for everyone in your IMO app. Choose the option that best suits your preference. You will now see your chosen wallpaper applied, giving your conversation a fresh and personalized look. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.